Hi, this is Barbara Taffy. Welcome to my Alternative Health and Beauty channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how turmeric can assist you in your weight loss journey and also some suggestions about how to take it. So turmeric breaks down your fat cells, and it also can assist you with them not growing too quickly. It works because it reduces your leptin resistance, and it also lowers your insulin resistance. And insulin resistance is a major key here, because if you don't have that under control, it's going to be extremely hard to lose weight. And it's reducing or lowering your leptin resistance is also great for preventing or recovering from diabetes. Turmeric also can assist you with water retention, and although reducing your water weight makes you feel good and look a little bit slimmer, it's not true fat loss, but it is something that's good for your body. Turmeric helps with hypoglycemia and also with inflammation, and those two are just absolutely killers for the weight loss journey. Turmeric really activates your fat burning systems, and this power herb can be so healthy for you in so many other ways, including reducing your appetite and sugar cravings. I'll do another video really soon about some of the other health benefits of turmeric and mixing it with black pepper. This is Barbara Taffy. Please subscribe to my channel to get more great videos. Like this video if you think it's helpful, and I'll see you soon.